Right. Number 19, Laura is a price-taking farmer who produces corn. Assume the wage rate for workers is $125 and the price per unit of corn is $10. The table shows Laura's production function. To maximize profit, Laura should employ some number of workers. Alright, so it's important to remember that, once again, that MFC, marginal factor cost, should equal marginal revenue product. In a pinch, you never want marginal revenue product to be lower than MFC. Also important to understand this $125, that wage rate, is the marginal factor cost. So at that point, all we're doing is trying to figure out where, what the marginal product for each worker, and then afterwards the marginal revenue product. So conveniently, this is 30. This looks a lot like 28. Now the math is making me sad because now I think this is 21. Oh, this is 15. This is entertaining only because normally in class I ask you guys to let me know when I've made a math error. So I'm sure it's going to be great. But I'm going to stop here because I know how to do some basic math, maybe not a great deal. And so this is the marginal product, but once again we're calculating marginal revenue product. So this is 300 because it's times 10. This is 280. This is 210. This is 150, and this is 100. And I stop because I know the marginal factor cost is 125. So we're definitely not producing the fifth unit. Hiring the fifth worker, but we are hiring the fourth worker because they are providing, well, in this case, profit. So there we go. We are doing C for 4 workers.